Okay, hi everyone. So today we're going to show you guys how to file your corporate tax. Specifically, I'm going to file Form CS Lite. So Form CS Lite is this new form that just started this year. So if your company has less than 200,000 revenue, then you can file for Form CS Lite. Previously, right, if your company is less than 5 million revenue, then you'll be filing Form CS. Okay, if not, then you have to file Form C. Okay, so if you're a company, right, it's either Form C, Form CS, or Form CS Lite. So today we're going to file Form CS Lite. Okay, so you would already have your Corpa set up. If you're not set up right and you don't know how to set up, please look at our other videos. I've done a video on how to set up your Corpas already. So Form CS Lite is pretty simple, and we would encourage clients to file it on their own. But if not, then you can, if you're not sure on how to file your corporate tax, right, you can always contact us. Then we will assist you to file your corporate taxes. Okay, and yeah, we'll give you a quote on how to file on filing your corporate taxes for you. Okay, so this is Form CS. I can click the e-file button here. And you can see the due date is 30th November 2020. So 30th of November 2020 is the hard copy filing. But if I'm not wrong, there isn't any hard copy filing anymore. So the due date, right, is extended to 15th of December if you e-file. Anyway, please e-file. Don't file the hard copy. The hard copy is so troublesome. Okay, you have to fill out the form and then drop it off at the bin or box at IRAS over at the revenue house at Novena. Okay, so just click on this e-file button. Okay, so let's add a corporate email address to receive notification. I'll just key in my okay. And okay, so I key in my details and I will save. So this okay, so now financial statements, proceed to e-file. These are all my details I just confirmed. Okay, so this is the revenue portion. My colleague has done this portion. So what I do, right, is that I have this revenue, and let me take a look at my revenue. Okay, so my revenue for this company, right, is okay. So you would, it would be a whole number. Okay, so I would click e-file. So this is Form CS. So because I'm less than 5 million, right, I'll be filling in Form CS. So where is Form CS like? When you click the e-file, right, there's this option to file Form CS or Form CS Lite. Okay, so the company has the option to file Form CS Lite as its revenue is 200,000 or less. So there are fewer fields to complete in Form CS Lite compared to Form CS. So please choose which form. You can still proceed to file Form CS, but I mean, this is a requirement to file your corporate tax. And if you file Form CS Lite and Form CS, right, you will fulfill the criteria. So if your company qualifies for Form CS Lite, then please just file Form CS Lite. So I click Form CS Lite. Okay, so these are the qualifying conditions for filing of Form CS Lite. Essentially, right, two and three, right, they are the same as the qualifying conditions for filing Form CS. It's only that the first criteria, right, is 200,000 or below. For Form CS, it would be 5 million and below. Okay, so the company has met all the qualifying conditions for filing Form CS Lite. I'll just click yes. Okay, so the financial period for this company, right, would be here, and this one would be February 17. Okay, then I would save and proceed to part B once I fill in my financial period. So this time my net profit and loss. Let me see my net profit and loss. Okay, so my net profit is 96. 649. Net rental income. Let me take a look at the rest. Donations. Okay, so these are the fields that you have to fill. So just the net profit, adjusted profit and loss before capital allowances. Then you have any balancing charges or you have any current year capital allowances. Then your net rental income, interest income, or other taxable income. And then your current year donations or company declaration, then don't have. So this company is pretty straightforward. Courts is a company that receives commission, so there's not much trade other than these are like service fees. So save and proceed to part C. So you can see it's pretty simplified. So this is a revenue, so deduction for renovation, expenditure, staff costs. Is there a change to principal activities during the relevant dates? No. Is there a no. Has the company satisfied all conditions to qualify for the tax exemption scheme for new startups? Which is yes. So this one, I did a blog article for the tax exemption scheme for new startups. Essentially, the first 100,000 profits, right? You will be you'll be taxed based on 25% of that revenue at a 17% tax rate. Then you still qualify for the tax rebate which the government is giving of 25%. Okay, so that one I will show it maybe in another webinar. So next, right, I just go to the confirmation page. So these are so you just look through the revenue, and everything. Then so the company declares that this return is full. Then I just click submit form CS Lite to IRAS. So I just click yes. And well, that's about it. So I can save as PDF or print. And that's about it. So just save your filing, and it's pretty simple. So if you are unsure of how to file your corporate taxes, right, please contact us. We do file for our clients as well, but we'll be reaching out to all our clients and then asking you guys whether you want us to file for you, because some companies, right, they don't want us to file for them. They want to do it on their own. Maybe they would like to maybe for some reason or another they may want to keep certain information within the company and then not pass it on to the corporate secretary. But I have no idea. But anyway, Form CS Lite is pretty simple. If you need help with your Form C, Form CS, or Form CS Lite, right, or how to use the income tax calculator on the ACRA's website, right, to calculate how to all your figures to fill in for your Form CS or your Form C, right, then please contact us as well. Okay, so that's all from me, right, and I'll see you in the next video.